We all know how important sleep is for humans. But what if I told you some animals can go their entire lives with little to no real sleep? Today we're exploring 5 fascinating creatures that seem to never rest, and how they've evolved to survive without it. First on the list, the bullfrog. For years, scientists believed bullfrogs never sleep because even when resting, they respond instantly to touch or sound. Their brain activity shows no deep sleep state like humans. This makes sense in the wild, as prey animals, being alert 24/7 can mean the difference between life and death. Instead of sleep, they go into a quiet, energy-saving mode, but always stay responsive to danger. So while humans shut down during sleep, bullfrogs live in constant light sleep. Next are dolphins, the true multitaskers of the sea. Dolphins never fully sleep because they need to consciously come up for air. They use a process called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. One half of their brain rests while the other stays awake. This allows them to keep swimming, breathe, and watch for predators, all at the same time. Even their eyes alternate closing, with one eye open and the other shut depending on which brain hemisphere is active. It's the ultimate survival hack, rest and vigilance combined. Giraffes are the insomniacs of the animal kingdom. In captivity, they might sleep up to 4 hours, but in the wild, it's often less than 30 minutes total per day. They take power naps, usually only a few minutes long, often while standing up. Even when lying down, they keep their heads raised, always alert for lions or hyenas. Why so little sleep? Their large bodies need constant feeding to support energy levels, so they spend most of the day eating. For giraffes, staying alive means staying awake. Sharks are unique because many species never stop swimming. They need continuous movement to push water through their gills and get oxygen. If they stop, they could suffocate, so true deep sleep is impossible. Instead, sharks enter a resting state where their brain activity slows, but they remain moving. Some species, like nurse sharks, can rest motionless, but great whites and hammerheads must keep moving non-stop. For sharks, sleep is not about shutting down, it's about slowing down. Finally, ants, the ultimate workers. Technically, ants don't sleep the way we do. Instead, they take hundreds of tiny naps throughout the day. Each nap lasts just a few seconds, allowing them to keep working almost non-stop. A study found that a queen ant may take longer rests, but worker ants average 250 short naps a day, adding up to only a few hours. Because colonies rely on constant teamwork, ants evolved this micro-rest system to keep activity running 24/7. In other words, while humans recharge at night, ants run a full-time society without real sleep. From bullfrogs that never fully switch off, to dolphins sleeping with one eye open, to ants that never stop working, these animals prove that nature has its own definition of sleep. For them, survival means staying alert, even when the rest of the world is resting.